白天不是他翻越的木痕前影，追来追去都为了你。
Hi, today I want to show you how to run LTX 2.3 sound to video on my 8GB of VRAM. First of all, I just want to look at the intro with you together. I'm quite happy with the result. If you look at it, it's not only lip sync, it does all the background job as well. If I look closely, the audience is tapping on the beat. I'm not too sure whether it's exactly on the beat, but at least they are not static. If you look at her here, she's also changing the grip here. And if I look at the feet here closely, you can see it's balancing on different feet, changing and tapping. Okay, the shoes are a little bit off, but it's still very good. Look at this here. She's tapping on the beat as well, and from time to time she look at the singer as well. See here, it's quite interesting that LTX can do all this. I'm quite happy with that. So, and where can you find the workflow? I've got my workflow from Hugging Face here. I will link this in the description. The one I'm using is basically the basic custom audio here. So let me show you my version. Okay, I've modified it to use the GGUF here, and all other models here are the same as my previous video, LTX 2.3. You can find more information in my previous video. And here is the audio input. I have changed a little bit because I'm not using this one. I have picked this one, low audio path. I like to use this one because it does support MP4 audio. It's not very user-friendly. I can't drag and drop the audio file here. I have to use the path here. And what I have done is I got a separate audio here. Actually, you don't need to do that. I'm doing this because I try to change a little bit to avoid the content ID match on YouTube. So actually, you can see this noodle here. It goes straight to here is the original audio. So it will pick up all the background music as well. And here I just change a little bit. I also got a original audio note here. So at the moment, if I go to the output here, you will see I'm using the modified audio. If you want to use the original one, you can connect this one to the output audio. Okay, let's have a look at my first frame. This one I have used for my Infinite Talk video. When I was doing it, I have to separate the audio in a male and female track. So it's more difficult. This one is I basically use the original audio. I also put a little bit hint in the prompt. It's saying that the woman starts singing first. Then after that, the man starts singing. And my duration is 16. I just put the resolution a little bit lower because I have only 8GB of VRAM. Okay, let's try it. Okay, it's done. Let's have a look. Check out the time. It's 1300, that's over 20 minutes. It's a little bit long, but sometimes it's shorter because this is my first run of the day. You can see the woman starts singing first and then the man. So obviously LTX 2.3 recognizes there are two voices and it works pretty well. Unfortunately, there's a graphic pop-up at the end. I'm still trying to figure out how to fix it. I think that's all about LTX 2.3 audio to video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Bye.
你不爱旁人，就只爱了我。
好
像是美人窝，你比那旁人美得多。
There are more videos to watch, or you can subscribe and we'll never miss a future video.